Hello everyone. I made a hole in the bottom of the ocean to the underworld. Let's do this. I'm falling with the water. No, there's little gaps.
Why are you floating from up to water? It doesn't make any sense.
I can swim up the water.
That makes no sense. What's physics?
I have a little air bubble here. So you can see the ocean level going down.
Is it really?
Yeah.
You're flying the underworld.
Now all that lava down there is going to turn to obsidian.
Oh.
The sharks can't get me now. There should be no more water. Let me see.
Is that much? Obsidian down
There's a lot of lava down there.
there?
Let me see. It's not going down that fast, but it was up there.
Does it really go down?
Yeah.
Why?
What?
Why?
Because I made a hole in the bottom, the deepest part, so all the water on top is going in the hole.
Do you think have realistic physics actually?
Yeah, the water keeps on going down.
You gotta make a believer out of me. You have yet to do that.
Watch, when we watch the recording, it's going to be, I'm going to fast forward it, and you can see the water all the way down. See, remember, it's right there.
Master level 100 acrobatics.
Yay. You can jump in the water. Hope there's no sharks here. Oh, well, that's really disturbing. You want to see how much underworld flooded? Let me just. Because I'm underground and like, somehow in a desert biome. This took a while. It took me like at least an hour of straight digging all the way down since 11:10.
Seems really big, man.
Since 11:10, Trevor, I've been digging
12.
continuously. I didn't stop. I kept on digging. Not nearing the end of the lava in the water thing. I don't even think it reached down there yet. Yeah, I don't think it reached down there yet. I left my lightsabers. No.
Oh, it does do that, doesn't it?
Yep.
Didn't even know.
And my helmet looks like Sonic. I think that's why they give you a 15 speed boost when you have the full set of armor. Shareable.
Well then.
That's really, and that's not even the whole thing. It looks like I'm going to lava. Nope, not really.
I'll see the water. I haven't gotten there yet. Now
Nope.
it's gonna fall.
Yep. I'll use my umbrella.
What else?
If I start falling really fast, I'll use my umbrella.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think I reached down there yet.
What are you doing awake, Hussein? Why aren't you sleeping? If I were you, I'd be sleeping right now, but I have a curry to cook.
Alright, reach down here.
How are you floating there?
Die, you. Oh, I made that much.
Yeah, that was what?
The water.
Oh, water's trying to make it.
Yep, boy.
Really? We can just fast forward that. Oh, that water?
I'm putting those through there so the water could gain more water and it'll like drip off the edge. So it won't like die instantly.
Oh, yeah, we're still just like turn to obsidian and just die, right? Should we move an edge then?
It's gonna take a while.
You just go to bed. I'll leave the computer on. There's a lot going on though. How does the game keep track of all these things at the same time?
I don't know.
That's cute, huh?
Game's only 2D, so.
It's true.
I really hope the wall of flesh doesn't spawn. That would suck. It's the boss that takes up this much of the screen.
You really suck.
Yep. It's coming down slowly, but
Yeah, there it is.
it's coming down. Look at the mini map.
Wow. It's coming, man. It's coming.
It's going now. It's like picking up.
Yeah, it is. You can see all that, can't you?
Yep. What do you think you're doing, mister? It's half past Gertrude.
I actually really mean.
No, I'm not gonna kill him. He's gonna spawn it.
What?
If you throw the guy doll into the lava, he will spawn the wall of flesh.
Oh, are you serious?
Yep.
That sucks.
So let me just get rid of something. Sharpen it, I don't need that. Sorry, rocking, I don't need that. There you go. You want to see him? I will spawn him.
Why? Now it's a guide.
What?
It's a guide, it's really dumb.
Yeah, I said died.
But it's found the wall of flesh wants to kill you though.
If I throw him into lava.
Look at the jellyfish.
Oh, how did that get there? I shall name you Frederick. Oh, the water scroll. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now it's just going up rapidly. What is this? Oh, I accidentally hit Frederick. Okay, the water is just coming rapidly now. Oh my gosh. It's just filling.
Wow. That's bad.
Did it fill this entire area?
Now you can float to the underworld.
Did it seriously just... Okay, it didn't fill... What? I don't... Okay. It seriously just filled this entire area.
Wow, these things are relentless.
Now there's piranhas in the underworld.
It looks even worse now.
Okay.
Not only can you die by being engulfed in lava, now you can also drown. Underworld too.
Okay. I'm gonna die. Magic mirror. Bam.
What is that?
No.
I was
No.
about to say like, oh,
Alright, we're getting close to the ocean. I think. Oh, there we go. The background change. Alright. Oh my gosh. This is where water used to be.
emotional mode.
Ooh, chest. I do. Why is there a vulture there? You don't belong there. And there's still coral here.
Coral good.
I don't know. This is where water used to be.
I like how background ocean with water. Is that a demon?
No, that was a vulture.
Oh, I was about to say. It's like, it's not good. You're upsetting the balance of nature.
There's no more water in here. I think I may have broken the game. I honestly did think it was gonna break the game, but this is the water level was here before, like right here. Remember?
Yeah, well,
Now it's like no.
I didn't believe you. I didn't believe you out of me.
I did. True, I did. Now let's go back down.
Alright.
I don't need this umbrella anymore. Nope. I think it's just updating.
Whoa, the water made it up there. So there's no more lava?
No, this is the top level. It goes way farther.
I see.
Just in case, I'm keeping my hand on my spacebar.
Realize it's disappeared.
No, I don't think it would. Oh. Okay.
There it is.
Now, this is what the underworld looks like. Okay, it stops right there. Oh wait, no. No, it doesn't.
Somehow there's more over there.
Yeah.
I don't know how that works.
Me either, but just go with it.
There's jellyfish.
There's jellyfish in the underworld. Is that Frederick? No, it's not Frederick. I think Frederick died.
What had babies?
Probably. He was the first one. He was the pioneer. I think it stopped right there. Yep. That whole area is filled with nonsense.
Why are you floating?
I'll have a graphic. You see there's more water over here because sometimes it does that. Oh, no. This is where lava starts again. So that's how you float, that's how you flood the underworld. Build a giant tunnel and then just flood the underworld with water from the ocean. So thanks for watching, everybody. Comment, rate.